Today is a beautiful sunny day for a long walk in the park, Lily.
I want to fly my new red kite on the green grass, Mom.
Make sure the gate is locked tight behind us, Lucas.
The fresh air smells like summer flowers today.
Keep your eyes on the path, Lucas, because it is very busy here.
Look over there, Mom. That poor dog looks very hungry and lonely.
Go away, dirty dog. Stay far away from my baby stroller.
You scared him, Mom. He was just trying to say hello to baby Lily.
Wild stray dogs carry dangerous bugs, Lucas. I must protect Lily.
Cuckoo, gaga. Funny doggy.
I am going to sit here and read my book under the nice shade.
Watch me make the red kite fly high into the blue sky, Mom.
That is a very beautiful throw, Lucas. Keep running.
La la la.
Can we please buy some sweet strawberry ice cream, Mom?
Lily is sleeping peacefully. I will walk to the truck with you quickly. We will be back in just 1 minute, my sweet little baby. That persistent animal is right next to her dress again. Watch out! My brakes are broken! The bicycle will not stop! Oh my God! The fast bicycle is rolling straight toward baby Lily! No! Stop the bicycle! My baby is inside the white stroller!
I am sorry. I cannot control the silver steering handles anymore.
Whoa! Help my baby! Somebody please save her right now!
Look at the dog. He is jumping in front of the fast bicycle.
Yelp!
The bike fell over. The white stroller did not move at all. Cuckoo. Doggy made a big jump.
Lily? Lily, are you hurt? Let me see your little face. Thank goodness. My precious little baby is completely safe and healthy.
Mom, the brave dog took the whole hard hit to save our baby sister.
I was so mean to him. And he just saved my daughter's life. I am so incredibly sorry, little hero. I misjudged your good heart. Woof. I am calling the animal doctor right now to fix his injured paw.
This warm towel will keep you comfortable until the helper doctor arrives. Look! The animal ambulance is here to save our brave friend.
I heard we have a very special park hero who needs some care today. Please give him the best medicine, Doctor. I will pay for everything.
We are coming with you to the clinic, Buster. Do not be afraid.
We are following the rescue car right now, kids. Today, I learned a very big lesson about true kindness, my son.
Buster is going to have the warmest and happiest home with us from now on.
The bone is not broken, but his front paw is very bruised from the hit.
You look like a real warrior captain with that green bandage, Buster.
His name is officially Buster, and his home address is our house. This silver tag proves that Buster is a registered family protector now.
The silver star looks so beautiful against your brown coat, boy.
Let us take our new family member to his cozy bedroom now. Sit next to me, Buster. You are the co-pilot of this trip today.
Doggy! My good doggy is inside the car.
He is trying to smell your sweet strawberry shampoo, Lily. Welcome to your new kingdom, brave guardian Buster.
This will be your official captain bed for the rest of winter summer.
A big hero deserves the biggest and most delicious dinner tonight.
Thank you again for saving my little angel Lily from that terrible crash.
He loves your kitchen cooking, Mom. Look at his tail go.
The dark world is peaceful when everyone is safe under one roof. Sleep well, my little baby. Your protector is sleeping nearby.
Look at him, Mom. He is still guarding the room, even inside the house.
You do not have to worry anymore, Buster. We are safe now.
Tomorrow we will play ball in our own safe backyard garden, Buster. Good morning, Buster. The green grass is warm and ready for a game. Catch the yellow ball, Buster. Fetch it back to my hands.
Wow! You are faster than the lightning flash in the sky, boy!
Look at the garden fun, Lily. Your big brother is playing with Buster.
Ball. Funny Doggy brought the yellow ball to me.
He is as gentle as a summer breeze with her, Lucas.
Whoa! Is that the same heroic dog from the park bench crash?
Yes. This is Buster, and he is our official family guardian captain now.
Here is a tasty biscuit for the bravest dog in the city world.
He knows exactly who his friendly neighbors are today. This photo will go into a gold frame on our main living room table wall.
This backyard party is much better than the scary Park Hill Lane.
I am so happy that you chose our white stroller to guard that day, Buster.
Every lonely animal is just waiting for a loving home to show its heart.
Time for your evening milk and a long night of sweet dreams, baby. He is like a beautiful brown shadow following our family steps, Mom.
You can play with my fast cars tomorrow morning, little brother.
Good night to our wonderful and brave guardian protector. The night is completely silent, and our home is full of peace.
The stars are shining brightly over our green backyard garden today.
You have the kindest and most understanding heart, my beautiful son. A stray coat can hide the most loyal family protector in the world.